a minus b the whole square is equal to a minus b into a minus b is equal to first term a, then b, a minus b. അപ്പോൾ a into a minus b, then minus b into again a minus b is equal to a into a minus a into b minus b into a again minus into minus into minus plus b into b into b is equal to a into a is equal to a square minus a into b is equal to ab minus b into a is equal to ab plus b square is equal to a square minus ab minus 2ab plus b square.